Maharashtra continues to witness a surge in COVID cases. Over 6,000 new cases and 44 COVID deaths were reported in Maharashtra in the last 24 hours. Out of this, 823 COVID cases were reported in Mumbai alone. Now, this is the first time in 2 months that the number of cases have crossed 800 mark in Mumbai. Meanwhile, Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister has called for an emergency meet amid rise in cases in Pune. Now, the Deputy CM also said that the number of newly infected people in Pune is higher than that of those getting cured. In another development, Pune Municipal Corporation has made it mandatory for passengers from Kerala to carry a negative COVID certificate.
सध्या अमरावती, अकोला, यवतमाळ, अचलपूर, अकोट, मूर्तिजापूर या काही शहरांच्या मध्ये लॉकडाऊन काही काळाच्या करता काही तासांच्या करता करण्याची वेळ आलेली आहे. तशी वेळ येऊ नये म्हणून आपल्याला काही खबरदारी घ्यावी लागेल. मास्क न वापरणाऱ्यांना वेळ पडली तर काही दंड करावा लागेल आणि त्याबद्दलची कडक भूमिका ही आपल्या सगळ्यांना निभावावी लागेल.
Meanwhile, the state is also witnessing an increase in the average daily deaths due to COVID-19 in 5 districts. These districts include Ratnagiri, Beed, Raigad, Satara and Amravati, where there's a significant surge in the average deaths also. Now, officials say that people are arriving late for the treatment. Meanwhile, district officials have requested for a specialized set of doctors, as most of the doctors are on contract basis and have no proper training for such situations. Disha Shah is live with us to give more details on this. So, Disha, we were seeing that several districts, and that includes Mumbai, actually emerging as worries for the Maharashtra government. But now this particular data that you have fetched for us is very, very worrying, that certain districts in the state are also seeing a surge in COVID deaths.
Well, certainly, Gauri, and it's not only the positive cases that we are looking at, which has increased in the last 2 weeks, but if you compare in the same time period, the COVID deaths as well, the 5 districts particularly have become the worst hit here in concern. And these are the 5 districts that you just pointed for us, which is Ratnagiri, Beed, Raigad, Satara and Amravati. So if you just talk about the numbers, although the state's average weekly data of COVID deaths per day have come down, but if you look at the overall scenario between January 29 to Feb 4th, the state's average weekly data was 30.7. And it then came down to 22.85 in between the time period of January to Feb 11. But if you talk about the last 1 week, it has again gone up to 31.1. So here we are particularly talking about COVID deaths. And in all of the other 5 districts that I mentioned, the death count has only increased per day. If you talk again about the same period average weekly data. So this is of course concerning here in concern. And when we spoke to the district officials, they clearly say that firstly, of course, people are coming very late for the treatment. And that is, of course, leading to the death of a COVID patient. But overall, the major concern here is about the trained doctors, because remember, Gauri, when initially COVID started in the state of Maharashtra, these all districts did not really have those, high number of cases, and that is why the staff, the doctors were very limited. But now, of course, all of a sudden they are looking at a 50% increase. So the doctors, they are not trained is what they are being told. And that is why they are requesting for a special doctor panel who can come on board and treat the patients.
Right, Disha, stay with us. I'll need more inputs from you on this big story. So, cases in Mumbai continue to see an upward trend as Mumbai recorded over 800 new COVID cases and 5 COVID deaths on Friday. Now, amid surge in COVID cases, the civic body in Mumbai has issued new guidelines. As a part of these new guidelines, the civic body will call those under home isolation 5 times daily. This is being done to ensure that they don't violate norms, and the calls will be made on the person's landline numbers during random hours. Now, other norms include stamping of those under home quarantine and also sealing of apartments with more than 5 cases. Disha Shah is still with us to give more details on this. So Disha, this is the first time in 2 months that the number of cases in Mumbai have crossed that 800 mark. But I wanted to talk specifically about this particular rule that BMC has come up, that is of calling those people who are under home isolation. Calls will be made on their landline numbers. What about those people who don't have landline facility in their home?
Well, certainly, Gauri, firstly talking about the numbers, since December 1st week, this is the first time in 2 months that we have seen Mumbai crossing 800 mark figure. And this is something very alarming, and due to various reasons that we have been talking about, that's unlocking activities, resumption of local train services, and people forgetting what COVID like and not really, seen wearing masks most of the time, so maintaining social distancing. If you talk about this particular new rule that the BMC has come up with, because in the past 2 weeks, they have seen a lot of instances where people who have been under home isolation or quarantine breaking those rules, violating those rules in a way, of course, it's a risk factor that, it might cause to a third or a fourth person. And that is why they will end up calling 5 times a day on their landline numbers to ensure that they are home, and they will also ensure that they talk to all the family members listed as per them. And if at all even one person who is not seen inside the house, they will definitely take a strict action, like we saw in a case of Powai. Women, an FIR was registered because she broke the quarantine rule. And second, answering your second part of the question, what if they don't have landlines? Then in that cases, if the landline number is not provided, they will go and check. They will do random check at least once a day, or maybe once 2 days, and they'll also ensure that they speak to the neighbors, they speak to the watchmen, that whether this family or any family of the building has stepped out or not in terms of home isolation. So all of these are the rules that BMC have really set in place here in the city of Mumbai to contain the spread of COVID.
Right. Disha, thank you for sharing all those details and the latest of what is happening in Mumbai and Maharashtra in larger. Thank you, Disha, for sharing all those details. In fact, a weekend lockdown will come into force in Maharashtra's districts from today. Amravati and Akola will see a weekend lockdown from today 8 p.m. Now, strict action will be taken if COVID norms are flouted in these areas, and essential services will continue to remain operational. In Akola, all the non-essential services will remain barred, though halls will be allowed to function with less than 50% occupancy. Meanwhile, norms have also been tightened in Nagpur amid a sudden surge in cases. Now, the hotels in Nagpur will be allowed to operate with only 50% capacity. Also, buildings with over 5 COVID cases will be sealed, among other measures. In fact, it is news that can actually bring a relief to all the people in Maharashtra. Mirror now spoke to Directors of Medical Education, Dr. Lahani, about the surge in COVID cases in the state. Now, rejecting the reports about the mutant strains, Dr. Lahani said that there are no COVID strains in Maharashtra as of now. He also explained as to why the cases are rising. Listen in.
ने जो बात चल रही है, मुझे लगता है कि ये सम मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग कहीं हुआ है। जो 12 टेस्ट किए गए हैं वो 12 टेस्ट, उसमें से 4 अमरावती के हैं, 4 यवतमाल और 4 सातारा के हैं। ये चारों टेस्ट में जो पुराना जीन है अपने पास जो होता है, दैट इज़ D614G, यही आ गया है। कहीं भी म्यूटेशन या ब्राज़ील, दक्षिण अफ्रीका या इंग्लैंड का नया स्ट्रेन मिला नहीं है, तो इसलिए ये नया स्ट्रेन आया है, ये गलत है। महाराष्ट्र में नया स्ट्रेन आया नहीं है। जो आंध्र प्रदेश में मिला है वो स्ट्रेन अलग है, और आपने पास जो मिला है वो अपना पुराना स्ट्रेन है, नया स्ट्रेन आपने पास नहीं आया है। ये जो एपिडेमिक डिसीज़ होता है, आपने अगर H1N1 देखा होगा तो हर वक्त वो पुणे में बढ़ा है। अभी पुणे में जब भी बढ़ता था तो क्यों बढ़ा, इसका रीज़न अपने पास आज भी नहीं है। इसलिए ये जो एपिडेमिक डिसीज़ होता है वो कुछ एरिया में उसके अप्स एंड डाउन्स होते हैं, वैसे ही ये अप्स एंड डाउन्स है। और इसमें बेसिकली जो अपना फ्रीडम मिला अपने को, जैसे नंबर कम हो गया तो मास्क लगाना बंद हो गया, डिस्टेंस अपना क्राउड होना शुरू हो गया, अपना जो हाथ धोना है वो बंद हो गया। इसलिए जो कोविड का बिहेवियर अपन पहले कर रहे थे उसमें मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा सा लोग ये सेल हो गए, इसके वजह से ये बीमारी बढ़ गया ऐसा लगता है। बॉम्बे में अपना टेस्ट नियरअबाउट 18,000 तक बढ़ाया है और बाहर भी अपन उतना ही टेस्ट कर रहे हैं। तो अपने 30 से 35-40 इतना थोड़ा कम ज़्यादा, जो छुट्टियों में थोड़ा कम होता है, बाकी के दिन और बढ़ता है, इतना अपन टेस्ट कर रहे हैं।